So wouldn't you like to be able to control your garage door from anywhere with your smartphone? Like that. Okay guys, welcome back. This is my telephone access panel located in my closet here. And basically this just has all my phone equipment in it. Never mind all the foil tape. I was trying to seal that up for any moisture. Anyway, what we've got is a Particle Photon here. The board that it's mounted to with the screw lugs and a 5-volt relay board. It's got two 5-volt relays. This is the controller device. This is what has the coding in it, and this controls the relays, and it does so through the smartphone app here. Well, actually, it's not an app. It's a website you go to, and it's a username and password type deal where you log in and it connects you to your account, which has your device located on it. So this allows you to control your garage door opener, excuse me, in this case, 2 different garage doors from your smartphone, from a computer, from a tablet, any device that has internet connectivity. This was $19, and this was $6 here, and this was about $8, and then miscellaneous wiring and stuff. So this was a great project. It took me a considerable amount of time to figure this out because I'm not a coder and I'm not really proficient with this type of work. So I had to do a lot of research on the internet. The coding that I was able to put together was something that I had to modify to work with this particular device here. So it did wear my patience out quite a bit. If this is something that you're interested in doing, please get with me. I could save you all the time and misery. I have the code, and we can collaborate, any way you like to getting this to work for you. And so let's go out to the garage here, and we can demonstrate how this works. Basically, you just press the button, relay comes on, door starts to close, as you can hear it in the background. Press the button again, relay comes on, closes the contacts, door goes back up. All this is a switch. It's the same type of momentary switch that's located in your garage that's spring-loaded. You push the button, it closes the door, opens the door, so on. It connects to the same lugs that the button connects to. So on your garage door, you would find that pair of contacts, and that's what you would run your wires to. So let's go outside, and I'll show you the location where it's at on my door. All right, we're on the ladder here, so pardon the shaky video if there is any. So this is a typical Chamberlain garage door opener, and it's got this connection here is to the sensors, and this connection here is the pair of wires that go to the button that, when shorted out, activates the garage door. So you would need, on your garage door, you would need to find that location and then run a piece of wire back to the 5-volt relay, and that's how this all works together. Okay, so that wraps this up. I just wanted to bring this to you guys and let you know that this is not a too terribly hard project. And if it's something you're interested in, I'll provide a link with all the parts that I have here and where to get them. And please reach out to me if you are interested in doing this and you need some help. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.